Tired of your Gamma AI presentations looking like everyone else's? You put all that work into your content, and then the default theme just makes it feel blah. I get it. I have been there. But here is the good news. I will show you how to swap themes in seconds and turn that generic deck into something that actually looks like you. So here's the plan. First, we will open the theme menu inside your document. Then, we will pick a template and apply it. That is literally it. Let's dive in. All right, so you have got your Gamma presentation open in front of you. The first thing we need to do is find the right button. Now, a lot of people miss this because they're looking in the wrong spot. You might be tempted to click on the document title or search around in a drop-down menu. Do not do that. Look at the toolbar that runs along the top of your screen. It's that horizontal bar with all the main options. You should see something that says Theme right there, usually sitting next to buttons like Doc or Slides. It might be a small icon or it might be spelled out. Just find the word Theme and click on it. And here is the really important part. Do not just glance at it. Actually click it. I have seen folks hover over it, wait a second, and then get confused when nothing happens. You have to click. So go ahead and do that now. When you click that theme button, the whole right side of your screen is going to change. A panel will slide in from the right. This is the theme gallery, and this is where the magic happens. Now, take a look at what just appeared. You are going to see a whole bunch of little thumbnail images. These are your templates. Each one represents a different look for your entire presentation. And I want you to notice something here. These are not just color changes. We are talking about different fonts, different layouts for your title slides, different background textures. It is a complete visual overhaul. So now you get to browse. Scroll through that list. Take your time. There is no rush. And do not just look at the colors. Really think about the vibe of your presentation. Is it a professional business deck? Look for something clean with lots of white space. Is it a creative pitch? Try one of the bolder, more artistic templates. Is it for school? Find something that is readable and not too distracting. When you find one that catches your eye, here is what you do. Just click on it. That is it. Just one click. You do not need to drag it. You do not need to confirm anything. Just a single click on that thumbnail. And watch what happens. Instant transformation. Your entire presentation updates right in front of you. Every single slide gets the new look. The fonts change, the colors shift, the layout of your title slide adjusts to fit the new template. It all happens automatically, and it takes maybe half a second. Now, here is a quick tip. If you click one and you do not like it, do not panic. Just click another one. You can switch back and forth as many times as you want. Gamma does not lock you in, and it will not mess up your text or your images either. It only changes the styling, not your actual content. So feel free to audition a few different looks until you find the one that feels right. Also, pay attention to the little preview that might show up. Sometimes when you hover over a template, it gives you a sneak peek of what it looks like on a slide. That is a good way to narrow down your options without clicking every single one. So that is really all there is to it. You went from a blank, default-looking presentation to a custom deck that actually has some personality, and it took you maybe 30 seconds once you knew where to look. The next time you start a project in Gamma, remember this. Before you write a single word, or right after you paste your content in, just pop open that theme panel first. It is so much easier to design around a look you love than to try and fix a boring one later. You have got the tools now. Go make something that stands out. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next one.